Here we start the chapter about lipids. Lipids are generally a heterogeneous group of compounds related to fatty acids and are insoluble in water but soluble in solvent such as ether, chloroform, and benzene. Chemically, they are esters of fatty acids or capable of forming the esters. Now, biological material contains a high percentage of water and the insolubility of lipid in water contributes to their specialized role in the body. Their specialized role in the body as structural components of membranes, lipids serve as insulators of delicate internal organs. Their solubility agents for vitamins. Then lipids serve as a hormones such as steroids and prostaglandins. Now in the human body, these molecules can be synthesized in the liver and also found in oil, butter, whole milk, cheese, fried foods, and some red meats also occur widely in the plant and animal kingdom. These are the sources from which we can get or obtain the lipids. Some examples are lipids includes fats, oils, waxes, related compounds. Oils are liquid in condition at 20 degrees Celsius, but fats are solids at 20 degrees Celsius. Classification of lipids. There are three types of lipids, or lipids are categorized into three types: simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Now, simple lipids are again fats and oils. Fats and oils are generally triglyceride, single or mixed triglycerides. Waxes, then component lipid, that is compound lipids, they are phospholipids and glycolipids. Then derived lipids, they are generally steroids, terpenes, or carotenoids. Now the simple lipids are what? Those are the lipids which are esters and yield fatty acids and alcohol upon hydrolysis. They include oils, fats, and waxes. Compound lipids, these are the esters of fatty acids and alcohol with additional compounds like phosphoric acid, sugars, or proteins. Some examples are phospholipids and glycolipids. Now, phospholipids are generally made up of alcohol, fatty acid, phosphoric acids, and nitrogen containing base. Glycolipids, they are often called as cerebrosides. These include fatty acids, carbohydrate, or nitrogen containing base. Now, last one is derived lipids. Now, these are the compounds which are formed from oils, fats during the metabolism or metabolic processes. They include steroids and some fat soluble vitamins. Example of simple lipids are generally esters of fatty acids with glycerol. They are enormously found in nature. They are best reserved food material in the body, act as insulators for the loss of body heat. They act as a padding material for protecting internal organs. Waxes are generally fatty acids with higher alcohols and formed as a secretions, which are mostly protective in functions in many animals. They resemble fats and are usually solid in state. In the human body, commonest waxes are esters of cholesterol. Now, this is the structure of fatty acid with glycerol. Now, this at first you can see the glycerol molecule, and second one is fatty acid. When glycerol and fatty acids combines, esterification reaction takes place, and we can get triglyceride along with the release of water molecule. And if reverse we can do, then triglyceride are broken down by addition of water, then we get two molecules, one is glycerol and another one is fatty acids. Now, physical properties of such lipids: they are insoluble in water but readily soluble in ether, chloroform, benzene. They are readily soluble in hot alcohol but slightly soluble in cold. They are good solvents for others, fatty acids, etc. They are tasteless, odorless, colorless, and neutral in reaction. They are crystallized. For example, beef and mutton. Their melting points are very low and readily they are thin ones. The specific gravity of solid fat is about 0.86. So that is why fat people float in water more. Chemical properties. Now hydrolysis, just we have seen earlier, hydrolysis of triglycerol takes place by lipases producing fatty acids and glycerol. Saponification, hydrolysis of fat by alkali is called as saponification. Acid number, now number of milligrams of KOH required to neutralize the free fatty acids of 1 gram of fat called as acid number. Iodine number, this is the amount of iodine in grams absorbed by 100 grams of fat. Halogenation, now we know that chlorine, bromine and iodine atoms are halogens. They expose to double bond of unsaturated fatty acids. Rancidity, all natural fats are oxidized when they are exposed to air, light and moisture, particularly if warm, developing an unpleasant odor and taste. This happens due to the formation of peroxides at the double bond of unsaturated fatty acids.